Welcome to the Great Day Kitchen. Recipe developer and food stylist Patty Mastracco is here with us this morning.
Hi.
Welcome, Patty.
Hi.
Nice to see you, man. You have brought just a variety of assortment of foods. You've got
it's
bacon,
fall. I've got some
cheese,
pancetta.
pancetta,
Yeah. So
butter,
I am cooking
apple.
today with Modi apples, and that's a relatively new apple here.
Where's it from?
It's from California, California grown.
Really?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
So it comes from the Po Valley in Italy, but down on the Delta where I am from, and near Sacramento, it has the same.
Thanks for coming all the way. We appreciate
always
it.
happy to come. But it has the same Mediterranean climate, so they're starting to grow them there too. So they're a local apple, and I'm going to make a really fun caramelized onion and apple flatbread for you.
You know,
today.
I'm looking at those, and they look a little different physically.
They do. Okay, so they're named after the painter Modigliani because he painted with these, beautiful, vibrant colors. So the bright yellows and reds is really indicative of this apple, and they're super crunchy, super tart. You can feel you'll never get a soft one. They're sweet and tart, and they have just an irresistible crunch.
It's almost
to them.
like a baseball.
I know. I know. Okay, but you have to say, if you bite into an apple that's kind of mushy, it's like, I'm done. These are always great.
Awesome.
So I've got a flatbread here. I'm just, I could start with pizza dough, but I'm going easy. So then I have onions and apples and some butter, and I'm going to caramelize all this and cook it down to just this much.
Amazing.
All right.
Wow.
So then I'm going to put some cheese.
What kind of cheese we got?
This is fresh mozzarella.
Okay.
Got a lot of cheese.
And this is perfect for the fall, right?
This is perfect for fall. Yeah, this is great. You can actually you can prepare this ahead and then bake it at the last minute, which is
a quick, easy meal.
Yeah, I love anything make ahead. So here's our caramelized onions and apples. I've got a little bit of prosciutto just to get that little salty flavor, and.
How did you come up with this recipe?
I sort of go through the stores or go through my pantry and refrigerator and see what I have. And
like this is left over. Let's try this.
I know. Okay, so this is a new addition. It's got a little bit of a nice aged Gouda, so it's going to get the nice creamy mozzarella, and this is a little bit
now the Gouda,
salty.
is that Armenian?
Is the Gouda? Yes.
It's delicious.
And of course a little parm and some fresh thyme, and you're just going to pop that in a hot oven and bake it, and you are good to go.
That looks beautiful there. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys can sample it, then I'll be showing a soup and a really fun apple dip when we come
back. Now, do you wait for the bread to get crispier, or you just melt everything first?
I like it really golden. So I think crispy's good. I like it when the cheese starts sort of melting off the edges a little bit and browning. So yeah.
Do you think it's okay if there's ever like a dressing on the bread?
Sure.
The flatbread?
Yeah, absolutely. You could also give it a little sprinkle of arugula, lightly dressed arugula, to give it that nice little peppery bite. That's a great suggestion.
So tell us, how can people get a hold of your recipes? Because this one looks amazing.
Yes, all my recipes are at idofood.com.
Perfect.
So
there you are, right there on TV. Look
there
at that.
I am.
Look at yourself.
In my own kitchen.
There you go. Boy, it's nice and clean.
Yeah, not always.
Well, thank you, Patty, so much for joining us. We'll be back with Patty in just a bit to continue making these delicious fall-themed dishes. As always, anything you see done in the Great Day Kitchen, you can find the recipe on KMPH.com. Just click the kitchen tab from the Great Day drop-down menu. We'll be right back.